Good. Find the integral of 4x squared power 3 minus 12 bracket power 2 x squared dx. How to solve the question like that? So this integral, the first method, we can explain this, then multiply that after integrate one term to one term. But there is a simple way to solve this. So here there is x power 3, here x power 2. It means that this the relationship between this and that. So answer for that, we can suppose that let for x power 3 minus 12 is equal to t. So after finding this, then when we derive this in function of x, we get 12x squared dx is equal dt. So then dx is equal dt over 12x squared. We place this in our equation. So then integral of 4x power 3 minus 12 power 2 x squared dx is equal integral this is equal to t power 2 times x squared times dx is equal dt over 12x squared. So we simplify this and that. This is equal integral of t squared times dt over 12. So this is the same to what? When we integrate this, is the same to 1 over 12 integral of t squared dt. Integral of t squared dt is equal to this is the same to 1 over 12 times t power 3 over 3 plus c. So this is equal 1 over 36 t power 3 plus c. Good, this integration. But remember that this is supposed, not our question, is not our solution. Because we suppose t, which is equal to that, also replace the value of t. So in that case, we get integral of 4x power 3 minus 12 power 2 x squared dx is equal 1 over 36 times 4x power 3 minus 12 power 2 the power 3, because this is equal power 3, then plus c. This is the answer for our question. Thank you for watching this.